Hey guys, it's me, Ellie19. Just to come with you to a new video. I went outside. Let's see here. I can close this gently. Yes, I just wanted to come out here and just have some time to myself and stuff. And look at this sight. Isn't it wonderful? It's raining. Lately, we haven't had rain. It's just been hot. Yesterday it hit 103, I think. I don't know, but, yeah. This is what I saw. It's not really coming down, but it's coming down a bit. But as you can see, I am wearing my Lucky flannel. I love Lucky flannels. So anyway, I just wanted to give you that. Good morning, everyone. So, if you like this video, leave a like, whatever. And I will see you later. Oh, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And yeah. So